Alrighty, folks. So now with the new stimulus bill coming up, I just wanted to show you millennials out there on how to submit your taxes and hopefully get that stimulus check. Now, first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Yeah, go ahead and click on that. Okay, what's in here? I want to go and head on over to Yahoo and go ahead and type in Credit Karma. It's not, what's .com tax. Alrighty, go ahead and click on here. Son of a gun, it's TurboTax. Let's see, let's go ahead and back. So that. Let's see here. Credit Karma tax. Let's see. A tax is a tax for doing wrong, but a tax fine is for doing well. Let's see here. Go ahead and click where your files start now. And I got a little joke for y'all. Where do homeless accountants live in a tax shelter? Okay. Let's see here. What's it asking me? So, zoom in a bit. Email address. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and blur this information out. Password. Make sure y'all get a pick a P. Two. Okay. Okay, so now that you've created your account here, I'm going to type in your first name, John I don't want you hackers to know my name, so I'm going to go ahead and lock this out too. While we're doing that, pay no mind to the icons. My son uses his computer for his Nintendo. Go ahead and type in my address. Sorry, we got a glitch on the computer. Okay, see. Right to Lubbock. In the great state of Texas. 2, 8, 3. Date of birth. Here. November 13th. Now don't be fooling around with my age here. Last 4 digits of social. Alright. I'm gonna trust y'all with this. 8, 6, 7. What's that? What's that part number? Let's go with 6. Next step. Alright. Do you want autocomplete to remember web form issues? No, you're not going to want to do that. That's how hackers take your bank account information. So we're going to go ahead and click up here. Okay. Now that we got that set up, we're going to have to enter your full 9-digit security code. Alright, let's see here. Make sure to have this on hand. I'll go ahead and mention it in the description. Okay, there you go. Next step. It's taking a while because it stops the hackers from doing it. Okay. Let's see here. A little life lesson. Don't hit your wife. I've had to learn that through experiences, but now my new one hits me, so I guess that's karma right there. So. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah. So then you're gonna want to fill this in, and then your taxes will be sent off. Thank you.